my name is Dawson. I'm a student at JTech, and today we're going to be doing starter, charging, diagnosis, and servicing. So now we're going to be explaining the starting circuit. These two fuses, they stay hot at all times. They will bring power down here to the load, which is an electromagnet. This will be the ground right here. When this electromagnet is on, it'll turn the switch over this way, then the power will come down all the way down to this load and go to the battery and come back up. These all green will be ground. Now I'm going to show you the components on this diagram. 40 amp fuse, it will be this one right here. Would be the ignition switch, which is here. Inside here will be the starting motor, which is right here. And here is the battery. Alright, so now we're going to perform the open voltage test. Put the black lead here. Red lead, you just hold it. Turn on the volts. You should get about 12.29. There you go. Perform the starter draw test. Alright, you'll get your positive and negative. Clamp, turn on to 200 amps, connect it to the red cable. Alright, so now we zero it out. Then you should get a reading on amps when you first crank it. Go ahead. 223. It should be around 223, and then you would hold it for a long period of time and you'll get another reading. Now we're going to find the starter relay. It should be right about here. It's kind of dark so you can't see it, but that'll be it right there. Now we're going to do the voltage test across the positive cable. Put the positive cable here, and then to the S terminal. Go ahead, start. Crank it over. Alright, and then you get a reading. 1. Now we're going to perform a voltage drop test on the negative cable. Put your negative lead there. Positive on the casing. Turn on volts. And go ahead. Perform the starter nest test. You get the ground count. Put on the casing. Positive. Yes, terminal. Come down here. Positive, positive. Negative, negative. Swing to the negative external. It's like a key. That's how you do a start. Now we're going to show you the basic principles of an alternator. These will be slip rings, which give you power to these green poles, which powers these magnets and make it spin. Inside the stator, which spins around, creates a lot of power. And then send out these wires right here. And it only goes out one way to the diodes. And once they're in the diodes, this regulator controls how much current goes to the alternator. This will be the fan to cool it down. This will be the housing or case with the bearing. And that's it. Now we're gonna do oscilloscope test. Alright, you gotta get the negative lead. Positive onto the positive terminal of the alternator. Go to 4-channel, component selection, electrical, okay, alternating ripple. And you change this all the way to 2 seconds, and you can see the little spikes in the ripples. Now we're going to do a DVOM. You change your meter to volts. You click AC. positive to the terminal. Use a negative lead and put on a negative. Hit range. There you go. And you should get somewhere around 0.50, 0.55. Now we're going to do a DVOM amperage test. You'll connect your positive to positive, negative to negative. You put this lead to either the positive or negative. Turn it to 200 amp. You get it zeroed out. And come back here. You read at 2500 RPM, and you go all the way to 12 volts. To get a reading. Drop test on the positive lead. Turn it to volts. Connect your positive to red lead to the volt on the alternator, and then you put your black lead onto the positive terminal. You should get a reading. Negative one, you put it back to volts, positive on a volt, and then you'll get your black lead and then put it on the negative. Then you have a different reading. 14. There you go.